Have we done any lab so far?
Sir.
Have we?
First one, sir.
First one, right? Which one?
Sir, CMOS inverter, sir.
CMOS. Did you do some code?
Hello, sir. LED একটাই করাইছিলেন স্যার।
Sir, CMOS negative, sir.
Okay, that was not actually the lab. That was actually the familiarization. Lab will start from lab number 1, that is coding. Okay, so we are not prepared. We are not prepared to do this yet. Okay, we are not prepared to yet. We have to cover some theory. Then we will start lab number 1. Then we will do 2. Then we will do 3. This need coding, and you need to understand some theory. So since we are doing the design, so I'm going to go to the lab number 7. Have we done the full adder? Full adder, have we? Okay, so today we will start with lab number 7. We will start from lab number 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll do that. Then we will go to the lab number 1. Okay, by then we will be prepared to do our coding and understanding. So those things will be ready. Okay. Today we 7, and it is page number 36. So I'm going to page number 36. Okay, this one. No. This one. Okay. So this is our lab today. What is the name of the lab? Introduction to DHCH, one software that know already. Okay, we already know. We already did a lab. Remember the 7-segment display? So today we will be doing a full-fledged lab, designing a full adder. So we'll be designing a full adder. Have we done this or not?
Not, sir. No, sir. No.
Okay. Today we're running a full adder. To get familiar with DSCA software, to design a full adder as an example, to check the functionality of the design using the simulation with a built-in simulator, to match put from the simulator with the truth table of the expression, to convert the schematic into new symbol. Up to this we will do. Lab number 6 we will do objective numbers we will do later, not now. So at first what you have to know, what is adder, right? What is adder? What is half adder? What is full adder? Now, when 2 bits are added, like this, 1 and 1, if you add this together, what is the result?
0, sir.
0. And you have one more, right, in your hand. So 1 0. 1 or 1 jog korle 2 ashe, right? 2 mane hocche 1 0. So this 0 is the sum. এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের যোগফল আর এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের হাতে থাকবে। That means this is our carry. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you get it. So this addition is the half addition or half adder operation because you have only 2 inputs. Why we need full adder? Because if we have a number that is more than 1 bit, like this one, if we have to add these 2 numbers, that means this is 1 1 1, that means 7 7 and 7. If we add these, our result will be what? 1 plus 1. At first you do not have anything in our hand, right? Before starting the addition, we do not have anything in our hand, no carry. So 1 plus 1 result will be what? 0. Now you have 1. That 1 will go to the next place, right? পরে ঘরে চলে যাবে এটা, তাই না? যেটা হাতে থাকবে। So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1. Result is 1 1. That means 3. 3 means 1 1. So you have your 1 here, and you have 1 extra that is in your hand. That is your carry. That will go to the next place here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. Again, result is 1, and you have 1 more extra that will come in front. So what I am trying to say here, when we do the addition like this, at the beginning we do not have anything in front of in our hand, right? At the first place, we do not have anything in our hand, no carry. So that is only 2 bits. That means 2 digits, actually 2 bits, right? That means 1 and 1, 2 inputs actually. Now in this case, that means in this case, you have 3 input. In this case, you have 3 input. This addition will be done by using full adder. And this addition is done by using half adder. Half adder টা করতে হবে যে দুইটা ইনপুট যখন থাকবে তখন half adder. Full adder means when you have what? When you have 3 inputs, that time you have to use full adder. Got my point? So today we are going to design the full adder. Okay? Now,
Okay, sir.
what is the addition? You have 3 inputs, A, B, and C. C in means what? Carry in. That means you have something in your hand. So 3 input A, B, C. A, B, C, 0, 0, 0. If all of them are 0, what is your result? If you add them,
0.
what is your result? 0 plus 0 plus 0. Result is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
You do not have anything in your hand. No, nothing. Okay? Then 0 plus 0 plus 1. Next one is what? 0 plus 0 plus 1. The result is 1. Right? Do you have anything in your hand?
No, sir.
No. 0 plus 1 plus, what is your result?
1.
1. What is in your hand?
0.
0. 0 plus 1 plus 1. What is your result?
0, sir.
0, because 2, right? 0 plus 1 plus 1. That means 2. 2 means 1, 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So 0, it is 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is your 0, 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1, that is 1, 0. 1 plus 1 plus 0, that is 1, 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means 3, 1, right? So what is your result? 1, 1. Got it?
Yes, sir. 1, 1.
Now, how many inputs do you have?
3.
3 inputs. What are those inputs? A, right? How many output do you have?
So,
2.
sir.
2 output. One is C out, another one is
Sum.
sum, right? Got that?
Yes, sir.
So at first, let's
One output and one
calculate.
carry.
Let's calculate the C out first. Do not worry about sum. Let's calculate C out. That means we have to make one expression. Remember digital electronics?
Sir.
In digital electronics, you have learned how to design the circuit. At first, you have to form the truth table. Then from the truth table, you have to form the expression,
Yes,
right?
sir. Sir.
Then from the expression, you have to design the what? Logic circuit, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you can go to the CMOS design. Okay? Okay. So at first, see out. What are the here? How many combination you have? You have 8 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, right? But we are not taking all of those. We are only taking what? This is we are not taking. We are not taking these. We are not taking this line. Why not? Because the outputs are 0. We will only consider what? We'll only consider what? 1, right? We will only consider 1. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
We do not consider 0. So this one will be 0 as well. And this one will be discounted as well. So only 4 lines will be counted. At first, okay, let's try. Here, for this one, what is the condition of your A? What is the value of your A?
0, sir.
Wait a second. Wait a second. I have a call. Okay. Hear me? Now, for this one, what is the condition of your A?
0.
0. That's why A bar. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
A bar. Now next, what is the condition of your B?
1.
So that's why B, not B bar. তার মানে 0 হলে বার হবে, 1 হলে বার হবে না. That means for 0 there will be a bar, for 1 there will be no bar. For C in, what is the condition?
1.
1. So no bar, right? So our first what? Our first expression is done. A bar B C in. Next, plus. For this one, what is the condition of your A? A will be A. B is 0, that means B bar. C in is 1, so C in. So A, B bar, C in, right? You know it already?
Yes,
I
sir.
know, I presume you know. আমি জানি তুমি এটা জানো, তোমরা সবাই জানো, বাট যদি ভুলে গিয়ে থাকো এইজন্য আমি তোমাদেরকে জানাচ্ছি এটা। ওকে, so I know all of you know this, but still I have to show it because some of you might forget this. Okay, next one, for this one, what is this? You tell me. You tell me. Yeah, for next one, what is this?
Yes, sir.
Then
A, B, C bar, sir.
yeah, exactly.
In bar.
A, B, C in bar, right? This one. Next one.
Sir, A, B, C in
A, B, C in, exactly. A, B,
C.
C in. Now, think about this. A, B, C in. From there, we will take some common. We will try to make it smaller. How can I do that? How can we do that? From there, from these two, can you take C in common?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am taking C in common. So what you have? A bar B, A B bar, right? Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. From these two, can you take AB common? AB, AB.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So I have taken AB common, so C in bar plus C in, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, you all know something bar plus something is
Is
equal to 1, right?
Yes.
So C in bar plus C in, they become 1.
C in clear, sorry, sir.
So they become what? No, no, not cancel out. They become 1. They become what? 1. So AB into 1, that is what? Only AB, right? Right? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this one is XOR. This one is what?
Yes, sir.
This one is XOR gate, right? So I'm going to write C in A XOR B plus AB. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now next equation, I'm going to go for the next equation here. I'm not counting the C. Now I'm going to go for the sum. Okay. Now what are the lines I have to discount? This one, this one, this one, and this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go for the that means the equation writing. For this one, what is the condition? A bar B bar C, right?
Yes, sir.
For next one, A B bar C in bar, right? A bar B C in bar, right?
Yes, sir.
For next one,
Sir, A, B bar, C bar.
exactly, A B bar C bar. Next one, ABC, right? Okay, everyone, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to take some commons again from how can you take common? See this one. This two has C in bar common, right? This two has C in bar common, and these two has C in common, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to take C in bar common from these two. What we are left with, A bar B plus AB bar, fine. I'm going to take C in common from these two. What we are left with, A bar B bar and AB, right? Look at this first, then we will go forward. Are you understanding this?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Next, what? Next, look at this. From this one, we can say this is our XOR. Can you see that? A bar B, A B bar, this is XOR,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
This is what?
XOR gate, sir.
XNOR. XOR bar, that means XNOR.
Yeah.
Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this. These become XOR again. These become XOR again. Okay. Consider this is your X. This is your X bar. So C bar X, C X bar, right? C bar X, C X bar. Like this one, right? A bar B, A B bar. A bar B, A B bar. Can you see that? So can we call C in XOR A XOR B? এই তিনটা আবার XOR হয়ে যায়, দেখছো খেয়াল করে? এই দেখো C bar B অথবা C bar D, C D bar.
Sir, why this XOR has come?
Yeah?
C in XOR, sir. Why XOR has come?
Okay. Let me show you. Let's think about this your D. Okay? This is what? D. And this is what? D bar. Okay?
Yes.
So what will happen? C bar D, C D bar. That means what? C XOR D, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what is D?
D XOR.
What is D? D is A XOR B, right? So can I write in place of D, can I write this? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at
Yes,
this.
sir.
Look at this. This is common. A XOR B is common here. A XOR B is common here. So we have to do it once. একবার করলে হবে এটা আমাদের। Then you have AB, that means the multiplication. Then you have C in A XOR B, multiplication. Then you have another XOR. That means the result of A XOR B and C in. So how many gate do you need? See, here you need A XOR B, one gate, one XOR. Okay. Then you need AB, that means AND gate, one AND gate. Then you need another AND gate here, C in into A XOR B, two AND gates. Then you need OR gate here, so one OR gate. Then you need another XOR gate here, right? So two XOR, two AND, one OR. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that become your expression. So let's do this. Let's make the what? Make the design. So we need what? 3 input A, B. Let's say this is our C in. Now we need what? XOR gate. This is our XOR gate. One XOR. We might need another XOR at some moment. So I took another XOR. We need one AND gate. I took another AND gate. We might need another AND gate here. I took another one. Then we need what? And an OR gate. Okay. And we need two outputs. One is here, another one is here. Now let's rename these. This become your A. This is your B. This is your C. This is your Y. No, not Y. This is your C out. Okay. And this is your sum. That means S. Okay. This C means C in. CO means CO. Now look at this. At first, what we have to do? At first, A XOR B. This one, A XOR B. Let's do it. A XOR B. This one is what? I'm going to write. This is your A XOR B. Fine. Next, we have to go and make the AB. Let's connect them together. That means one A is coming, B is coming. So this is your AND gate. So this is your AB, right? Now what? Then what? Then A XOR B and C in should be multiplied, right? A XOR B is already done. With the result of that, C in should be multiplied. C in, another AND gate. So A XOR B is here, and C in is here. So what are the inputs here? C in is one input, and A XOR B is another input. Right? So both of them will be multiplied in the XOR in the AND gate. So I'm going to take them, and I'm going to place it here, and I'm going to take these. I'm going to place it here. That means they are multiplied, right? C in into A XOR B. Understood? Now,
Yes, sir.
what term is complete? Let's say this term is complete, right? This term is also complete. So can we add them together by using OR gate? Can we?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. So we're going to use OR gate to add these and add this. This is our what? What is this?
See out, sir.
This is our C out. So I'm going to connect the C out here. This is our C. C out is complete. Next one is the sum. What is sum? Sum is A XOR B and XOR C in, right? A XOR B is already done in our previous step. So we are going to take the result and we will XOR with C in. Oh, got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now I'm taking C in here, and I am taking the previous A XOR B here. This one was previous A XOR B, right? I'm the A XOR B, and I'm taking the C in or C here. Finally, our C sum should be connected. So this is our result. And this is our actually circuit, not result, circuit. So let's check the truth table. Whether the truth table is correct or not, let's check it. So how to check it? Let's make it smaller. And let me make a table. Oh, white color. Okay, so I'm going to write. This is your A. This is B. This is C. This is CO. And this is what? Sum. Okay, everyone? Now check. If I run 0, 0, 0. Okay, at first let me write all of the letters. Okay. Okay, everyone? Now
Yes,
check.
sir.
Yes,
For
sir.
0, 0, 0, what is your result?
0, sir.
Both of them are 0, right? Okay. Now check. If I make it 1, 0, 0, 1, what is your result? CO is still 0. What is your sum? Is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For next one, 0, 1, 0, what is your result? Still 1. This is still 0. For next one, 0, 1, 1, because we have 0, 1, 1. So 0, 1, 1 result will be what? 1, 0. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
1, 0, 0. What is your prediction? 1, 0, 0?
0, 1, sir.
0, 1, right? So I'm going to write 0 and 1. 101.
1 0.
1 0. 110.
0 1, sir.
Again what? No, 10. CO is first, right? 10. Then 111. What should be the result?
1 1.
1 1. Is it completely matched with your logic circuit?
Yes, sir.
That means the truth table you have here, does that match? It matches, right?
Yes, sir.
It matches. So our lab is what our lab is successful. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got my point? Our lab is successful. Now you can take the screenshot by using this one. By making a white, you can take a screenshot for your lab report. Oh, by the way, you have to submit lab report. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Hello?
how we submit?
You have to. Okay. How you will submit? You will do the lab report, and I will create one what? What is that?
Lab room.
Portal. Okay. Yeah, classroom portal. For every lab, I will on that day. That means when you have your what? What is that called? That means on that lab day, I will create the portal and then you will submit. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I will give 2 hours time, then you will submit. Okay.
Okay.
And do not copy. Do not copy. What should be the lab report? How you will write your lab report? In the lab report, you have to show me these sort of things, like what are the objectives? Introduction. Do not copy my introduction. You will write introduction from yourself. Okay. What is full adder? What is this? These are the truth table. Do not copy. Do not take a shot from here. You have to write it by yourself. Remember. Okay. Then schematic diagram. From where you will take the schematic diagram? You will take the schematic diagram from here. Whatever the design you are going to have, take a screenshot from here. Got my point? Do not take a screenshot from my one. I will understand. Remember how I will understand. I will understand how. What is that? How much length do you have here? What is the spacing here? What are the naming? I will understand. Remember, if you copy my one, I will understand. If you copy some other one, some other people's one, I will understand. Then both of them will get 0. Both of them will get 0 in your lab report. Okay. And
Okay,
you have to write the.
We
Okay,
can
wait.
take a screenshot.
How can you take a screenshot? Okay. What is that? This one, right? Take screenshot for using the snipping tool. You have snipping?
Yes,
See,
sir.
I put my snipping tool here. Can you see this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You might not have it here. You might have somewhere else. See, go to the start menu and write snipping tool, SNI. Snipping tool is listed here. Right click these and your one will be like this. Your one will be like this. Then click pin to start or pin to taskbar. Got my point?
Yes,
If you click these, it will come straightly here, straight here, and it will remain here. So when you need a screenshot, I'm going to make it smaller. When you need a screenshot, click these, new, and you have to take it like this. Voila, you have your screenshot. Now Control C, go to your let's say Word document, lab report, right? Like this, schematic, SCH, schematic diagram, right? Then under the diagram, you will write the schematic diagram is shown in figure 1, right? Because the name will be figure 1. Then under that, you will click Control V. You can make it smaller if you want. You can make it bigger if you want. You can put center. You have to put it in the center. Then under that, you have to write the figure name. What is the figure name? maybe the schematic diagram of full adder, right? D will be smaller. Schematic diagram of full adder. Got my point? And you can make it in the middle as well. You can make it in the middle. Okay? That's it. This is how you should take screenshot and you put it in your report. Okay?
Sir, when
Yeah.
we are using, sir, in the program, sir, always is black, sir, not white.
Yeah. Always white. Try to make white.
Where,
How to
sir?
make it white? How to make it white?
Sir, tell us.
F5. In your keyboard, you will click F5.
F5.
F5. Okay?
Okay, sir.
It will become white because white is easier, right? Easier to understand. Now,
Oh,
in the simulation, this looks good. In the simulation, this looks good, right?
yes, sir.
But in the report, the white looks good.
Yes, sir, actually.
Okay? So I'm not going to bore you tonight, today. This will be the end of our lab number 7. Then, oh, by the way, schematic. How can you make a symbol? You have to make it a symbol, right? So that you can use this symbol in your next labs. How can you do that? You have to save this. You have to save the the schematic by using this save as. In the same folder, you have to do it in the same folder. Remember. So I'm writing full adder F A FAD D27